Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to do Jeny's surprisingly stretchy bind off on a 1x1 ribbing. I'm using this technique in my Green Mountain summer top pattern, so I wanted to show you how it's done. This neckband is a 1x1 ribbing, which means it's a knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. And basically what we are going to be doing is adding a yarn over between each stitch to give it a little extra stretch. So I'm going to remove my stitch marker. To start, I'm going to knit the first stitch and then I'm going to create a yarn over, but because my next stitch is a purl stitch, I don't just bring my yarn to the front, I'm actually going to wrap it around my right needle and then I'm going to be doing the purl stitch. Now I have these 3 stitches on my right needle, and what I'm going to do is grab the second stitch, put it over the first stitch. Now I have 2 stitches, and again grab second stitch, put it over the first stitch, so I have just 1 stitch left. And now the next stitch is going to be a knit stitch, so we are going to create a yarn over. We just wrap yarn around the needle and then we are going to knit the next stitch. Now we have 3 stitches again on the right needle. The second stitch goes over the first stitch. Now we have 2 stitches, and again second stitch goes over the first stitch. Next stitch will be a purl stitch, so we don't just bring it to the front, but we've wrapped the yarn around the right needle, purl the next stitch. We have the 3 stitches. Second stitch goes over the first stitch. Again, second stitch goes over the first stitch. Next stitch will be the knit stitch, so yarn over and knit. Second stitch goes over the first stitch, and again second stitch goes over the first stitch, and I just keep repeating these 2 steps until I get to the end of the round. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.